So today we'll be discussing the assignment. It's already December. We'll be discussing the assignment and then I'll be uploading the assignment by today evening. Okay? I hope you've done the task sheet by now and uploaded it. Say yes, no, I'll be doing it, ma'am. I'll be doing it today. Okay.
I'll be doing it today.
Make sure it's done by today itself. Today is the last day. And I've given points also for that. 5 points is for the task sheet. Okay. Let's start with the assignment. So I'll be just reading the questions and I want you to answer. Please give me a minute.
Ma'am, have you taken the attendance?
I'll take the attendance in the end, Ranj. Okay. Okay, listen to the question very carefully. Don't you know if you've got your remove? Don't you know if you have got your remove? This is the dialogue. Tell me the tone of speaker. You have two options, angry, surprised.
Surprised.
And
Who says this dialogue?
Frank.
Okay, very good. Next, Tableau. Yes, sir, and I might be playing golf. You'd think he'd have enough to do anyway himself, considering he's leaving tomorrow for good. But oh no, I missed a day last week when I was ill. So here I am. And look at the weather, sir. Tone. Disappointed, contemplative, grim.
Disappointed.
Ma'am, what was the last one?
Disappointed, contemplative, and grim. Answer?
Mom, disappointed.
Disappointed. Very good. Okay, next question. I'll just sit because we're just discussing the assignment. Second. Okay, next question. Who is Frank? What similarity do you find in his personality and his name? Who is Frank? What similarity do you find in his personality and his name?
Ma'am, Frank is a science teacher at the boys' school,
Okay, very good.
and he's very frank. By that I mean that he's very honest.
Okay, he's very honest and he also is very frank and direct, straightforward with the students.
And he's also jealous of Mr. Crocker Harrison.
Very good. And he's also jealous of Mr. Crocker Harris. Okay. Frank, are you? I'm not. Not at least. This is the dialogue that Frank is saying. Are you? I'm not. Not at least. In the science, I have to teach at least. Okay, yeah, there's a line. Not at least in the science, I have to teach. What is Mr. Frank complaining about?
Ma'am, that is
he
not
has no
interested
interest in what
he
he's
teaches.
teaching.
Okay, just one by one, please.
That he has no interest in the subject that he's teaching.
Okay, very good. That he does not have any interest in the subject that he's teaching. Very good. Next. Why does Taplo call the book by Achilles muck? Why does Taplo
Because
call?
it has a lot of Greek words. So if one doesn't understand one word in the paragraph, they won't understand the whole sentence or the paragraph.
Very good. Even though he thinks that the
Also,
plot is
ma'am, he
interesting.
doesn't love literature. Ma'am, he is much interested in science subject.
Very good. He's much interested in science subject. And with the Achilles book, he thinks that the plot is interesting. He thinks that, but again, it's the Greek words that makes it difficult for him. Very good, students. Very good. Okay. Next question. Just a second. Yeah. Still, there is one comfort. The question is, still, there is one comfort. What does Frank mean by these words? Open the play, everyone. Tell me the meaning. Still, there is one comfort. What does Frank mean by these words?
Ma'am, hope.
Tell me. Vani, do you want to answer?
Ma'am, I'm looking for the answer.
Okay. Anyone found the answer?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Okay. Still, there is one comfort. Okay, the dialogue is still, there is one comfort. What does Frank mean by these words? What
Ma'am,
comfort
he
is
means
Frank?
that Tapo will certainly get his removed.
Very good. That the efforts, the extra efforts or the extra work Taplo is doing on the last day of the school, this action will certainly imply Taplo getting his removed. Okay, so it will all be worth it. So that is that comfort that we are talking about. Okay. What happened when Mr. Crocker Harris made one of his classical jokes?
Ma'am, no one
Nobody
laughed at
could,
it, so Taplo laughed at it
but
out of pity.
Tapo still laughed at it.
Okay, nobody laughed, but Taplo laughed at it. Do you think Frank enjoyed or disliked Taplo's imitation of Crocker Harris?
Ma'am, I think he enjoyed it, but as a teacher, he did not want Taplo to disrespect his teacher.
Okay.
Ma'am, he felt jealous from Crocker Harris.
Just hold on a second. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, he felt jealous from Crocker Harris.
Okay. So he enjoyed or disliked that?
Enjoyed.
Okay, very good. Enjoyed. Okay. You know what he's like, sir, says Taplo. You know what he's like, sir, says Taplo. What leads him to say so? What light does this throw on the man talked about? I'll repeat the question. You know what he's like, sir, says Saplo. Abhi? Okay. I'm just taking in attendance quickly. उनकी अटेंडेंस आई थी मेरे पास हाँ बट मैं नीचे गेट ड्यूटी के कोई नहीं अभी ओके आई एम टेकिंग द अटेंडेंस क्विकली आकांक्षा प्रेजेंट मैम आरव ग्रेवाल आरव शर्मा अग्नीश
Present, ma'am.
टिक ही कर रही हूँ ये मतलब क्या होगा बी प्रेजेंट ही है ठीक है ऐश्वर्या
Present, ma'am.
अक्षता
Present, ma'am.
अमन अंशिका
Present, ma'am.
अरुमिता
Ma'am.
आर्यन
Present, ma'am.
आयुष भव्य भारद्वाज भव्य मिश्रा now test it will be subjective timing is and